A big win for thousands of healthcare workers who applied for religious exemption in New York State. Good evening, everyone. Not only do they not have to get the vaccine at this time, but also a federal judge has ruled that the state must continue to allow workers to file religious exemptions until a lawsuit challenging the requirement is heard in court. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Natalie Fahmy tonight breaks down what this new rule means for healthcare workers.
They cannot fire or retaliate or suspend or take any action against an employee.
On Tuesday, the federal court placed a permanent injunction in favor of healthcare workers who seek religious exemptions from COVID-19 vaccination. Retired Erie County Supreme Court Judge Penny Wolfgang says as the matter stands, employers have to grant religious exemptions when they are claimed.
Now it forbids employers or anybody in the healthcare field or the Department of Health from enforcing mandatory vaccinations.
Originally, U.S. District Judge David Hurd placed a temporary order until October 12th after Governor Kathy Hochul mandated healthcare workers be partially vaccinated by the end of September. In a statement, Hochul says she stands behind her mandate and will fight the decision in court to keep New Yorkers safe.
There are a lot of ramifications and a lot of mediation going on, and I think the cases will be determined really quickly.
Catholic Health, Kaleida Health, and ECMC say those who requested religious exemptions will continue to work as of now. In a statement, Kaleida Health says if religious exemptions are discontinued, employees would need to immediately get vaccinated to work.
There's many cases, there's many arguments, and I think it's in a state of flux, which makes it very difficult.
Those fighting for the injunction argued that the mandate was not a neutral law as it still allowed medical exemptions. In a statement saying Tuesday's decision supports the constitutional right of medical workers. But this is just the beginning. Wolfgang says this case will climb through the court system.
In other words, stay tuned.
Now, I did ask local hospitals how many of their employees have filed for religious exemption. ECMC says just under 130. Catholic and Kaleida Health have yet to get back to me with their numbers. In Buffalo, Natalie Fahmy, 7 Eyewitness News.
Now, along those lines, checking in on the vaccination rate of workers at our local hospitals, the latest numbers show that 97% of the staff at Niagara Falls Memorial Medical Center is fully vaccinated. 91% of workers at both Buffalo General Medical Center and Millard Fillmore Suburban have rolled up their sleeves, and both Erie County Medical Center and Mercy Hospital stand tonight at about 85%.